how to add or remove detection mode to the accessibility shortcut on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Then tap on Detection Mode. Tap on that to add or remove from the Accessibility Shortcut menu. Once it has been added, you can triple click on the side button to open up the menu. From here, you can tap on Detection Mode, and that will open up the camera. And if you place an object in the center, it will try to detect where it is. So here you can see it's trying to detect the background here. It's saying that wood process. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.